One of the things that I have noticed about the growing social media or online community and people who actually come on here to consume content is that people are now being more conscious about the things they consume and the people they listen to. They want to hear people who have real life experiences, not just people who are going to come up here and trying to shove up some ideas or tips and tricks down their throat that the people saying it are not even practicing. Now, if this sounds like you, you're welcome. This is a small but growing online community where we help new mom thrive in their new roles and also embracing their individuality while still becoming the best version of themselves. Why not losing themselves? And if this sounds like you, do well to subscribe to this channel. In this particular video, I am going to share with you guys realistic online ways for new moms to actually make money. And if you're not a new mom, you're still welcome. You can still tap in from this knowledge. This video is going to cover everything that you can do from the comfort of your home, even if you are not seeing your little bundle of joy. Let's get into it.
Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded.
Hey royals, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Cleo and you're welcome to the Empress Space. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can make money online as a new mom, as an expectant mom, as a seasoned mom, or even as a housewife. Okay, this video is for us. Keep watching. Now, I'd like us to know that there are many ways for you to make legitimate money online. Don't allow anybody to tell you otherwise, okay? You just have to be decisive. You have to create your niche and also a strategy. And you have to choose the best platform for your type of product. And also, you have to be consistent. You have to be consistently marketing that product that you are going to choose. Okay, now before we get into listing all of the ways that you can make legit money online, do make sure to like this video if you are enjoying this topic, and of course do let me know in the comment section if there are other ideas. So I want you to open your ears and make sure you pay attention to each of my points. If there are anyone I miss, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Let us get into the whole topic. So the first thing I'm going to recommend is ebook writing and selling. Okay, but for this, I honestly believe that you should know your onion. Okay, you cannot just wake up and write whatever you want to in an ebook and want people to buy it. When people are buying things like ebook or courses, they expect to get some certain type of value in that particular product. So you should know your onions. You should know what you are actually writing about. That is what I mean. And you should actually know who you are writing for. You cannot be writing for everybody. You should know who you are writing for. And when you get all these things in place, just write your ebook, your product, that is a digital product. Write your ebook. You can place it up for sale on places like Gumroad or Seller. Yeah, I know that these ones are very, very Nigerian friendly. Exactly. So you can place it up for sale on platforms like this and just do your marketing. You have to consistently tell people about your product, tell them the value that they are going to get once they get your product, and you start cashing out. And you will be doing all this with somebody sucking on your breast. Example of these products could include guides, include planners, calendars, or even little workbooks for certain people. There are so many ways you can go about this digital products. It includes calendars and whatnot. So just take it, run with it, depending on your expertise or things that you actually know about. You have to be knowledgeable to write an ebook. The next idea is digital product creation. Now, when it comes to digital product creation, it's kind of related to writing an ebook, just that in this case, it is more of something that people could buy and make use of. I'm talking things like templates. You know how you go to Canva, you want to design a thumbnail and whatnot, and you see the ones that they wrote pro or the ones that you have to pay for. These are people's work. Those are digital products. Okay, they are another example of digital product. You can make things like planners for sale, the one that people can actually buy and use it to, get their life together. You can make productivity planners and whatnot. Like, it can be so many things. The list is practically endless. If you are design savvy, you can definitely go into all this. Selling in places like Etsy, you can sell in places like Amazon. Have you guys seen that trend about digital coloring books that people just put together with ChatGPT or whatnot? They upload it to Amazon, F what? Let me know in the comment section. And then they get to sell and make so much money, like they say. Exactly. Those are some of the things that you can actually put to mind when it comes to digital product creation. The list is endless. I'm here to give you ideas. You are more than welcome to do your own research. I'm not a financial expert or a business expert. These are all from my experience and things that I've picked up along the way. The obvious next idea is online tutoring and coaching. This can never go out of business, and you can do this as a new mom from the comfort of your home. You might choose the time that you know that your little one will be sleeping, and then you put up a webinar or a training, market it for long so that you can generate enough leads. Yes, you can generate enough leads. You turn your cold audience to hot audience, and then you can actually sell your coaching class or your tutoring class to them. You host them at the time where you know that your little one is sleeping, or you know that somebody is definitely taking care of them. They might not need your attention for the next 30 to 1 hour, depending on how long you want to host this particular class for. You can totally check out coaching and teaching or tutoring, online coaching, tutoring, teaching, anything in that aspect. It can never go out of business as long as you have a knowledge to share. It could be from your personal experience, it could be something from your experience, pregnancy and motherhood experience, just like I've been doing on this channel. You can totally decide to come on here, share with people for free, or they could pay for an exclusive information in a class. Up next, we have social media management. This one obviously does not require you to show your face on those platforms at all. You are just doing the underground work, handling the analytics, knowing what posts to go up when, as long as you have the skill. And if you don't have the skill for most of these things that I'm currently mentioning, and you really need to make money, because I believe you need to make money, okay, as a woman, make money. There's no such thing. Being broke is really expensive, and being a broke housewife is even more expensive. Okay, so do make sure to go get some of these skills. They are actually high in demand skill. You can go get the skills, know your onion, pitch yourself to brands, and then you can handle their social media under this social media management. You can totally do this even if you are rocking a baby. You could be breastfeeding your baby and you are with one hand, sending emails to clients and whatnot. You can totally do this. Check out social media management. The next thing I want to talk about is blogging. If you like writing, you can be writing about trending topics or helpful topic on places like Blogger, WordPress. I know there are other so many blogging sites. It's been a while I actually looked into things like that. And with time, you can monetize with Google AdSense. Yes, just make sure that you are generating traffic to your site. If you are writing helpful topics, trending topics, yes, now that everybody is going inside, locking in, you need to be giving us news and gist of what is actually going on in the outside world. You are writing trending topics or actually helpful topics. Someone could come and browse up how to get rid of acne on the face or acne on the bum, and your page actually shows up. They're going to read your article and whatnot. You would actually generate traction. You will need to generate traction for a while, and with time you would get monetized with Google AdSense. You could have brands paying you to put up their adverts on your site and whatnot. These are ways that you can make cool money. And one thing about blogging that I actually like is that your work can actually be making you money over time. It's just like content creation. Most of your content, or YouTube rather, most of your content could actually be making you money over time. The content that you might have uploaded like far back as 2024 could still be generating you income now. As long as people are still visiting that particular content, it is the same thing as blogging. Next, if you like being in front of the camera, you might consider content creation on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. Consider content creation if you have value to share and you're not camera shy. And basically, if you first off, if you're not camera shy, then you are way on the right foot. Honestly, you are way on the right foot. Your confidence is gonna be coming up gradually. I don't know how to explain that, but I know that I'm not the kind of confidence that I am exuding now. If you go to my first video, as much as I was confident back then, I know that it cannot be matched with the level of confidence that I've had after uploading over 70 plus videos. Do you get my point? So yeah, if you actually have value to share and you can speak to the camera, just learn basic editing skills and you are way on the right track. Up next, you might want to consider being an online personal shopper. For this, you would obviously love to shop. Okay, naturally, you love to shop. And you know how to shop from places like Shein, places like Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress. You know how to shop from those places. Get clients who don't want to go through the hassle or having to shop for their own items. They actually give you a description of the items that they want, and your job is to source them out from this site. So you don't even have to leave your house. You source them out and probably put the delivery address as yours or as their own. Better put it as their own. They pay you for your service as the middleman who is sourcing out the product for them. This is easy peasy money, but you have to shop. I'm heavy on you have to shop because you need to have good eye for those customers to keep on coming back to you for that particular service. Next up, you might want to consider drop shipping. And what drop shipping majorly is connecting sellers with buyers, with you standing in the middle as the middleman, and you are collecting a little bit, or rather your own percentage of the money that the buyer is actually sending to the seller. Does that make sense? So you find somebody that sells shoes for a while, maybe during the time that you were still preggy or whatnot, you had time to be moving around the market. You saw a particular store that sells shoes, and those shoes are really like pretty and whatnot. You took pictures of those shoes, and now that you are here in your Omega period, all you have to do is to, market those particular picture of shoes that you have, and then when you get an interested buyer, you connect them with the seller. Now let's say the seller sells the shoe for something like 10,000 naira. You can tell your buyer that the shoe is something like 15k or 13.5, depending on how much money you want to put on top of the product. Does that make sense? So now it is your job to get it from the seller and deliver to the buyer. And that is how you easily drop ship. Most people do this drop shipping seamlessly without even lifting a finger, without leaving their bed, without leaving their house. So you have to put some systems and strategies in place on how you are going to do yours, and go about it, because now you are at home and you cannot do anything, you cannot move around too much. So these are some businesses that I believe you can totally carry out from the comfort of your home. Now, the next business on my list will be affiliate marketing. This is a process whereby you are marketing or you are selling products that are not directly yours. There could be digital products and there could be physical products too when it comes to affiliate marketing. You see people saying, I got this lip gloss from Jumia. Click the link in my description to get yours. And when you get it, I could get 20% commission or 10% commission. That is affiliate marketing. I actually didn't get this from Jumia. So that is affiliate marketing. It can also go that way for digital products, not just physical products. Okay, so it goes both ways. You can definitely look into that. There might be some products that are lying around in your house that you love so much, and you could definitely make some noise about. You can hype this product because you love this product so much. You can hype them. You can convince your community or the people in your WhatsApp contact to actually buy those products from a particular place. Okay, I think a very smart way for you to go about it is, I see this particular product and then I go on somewhere like Jumia, somewhere like Shein, or somewhere like Temu, and I search up this product and I see exactly this type of product. I can join their affiliate program and then I will start marketing it, saying that this is where I bought this particular product. Rather, this is actually a replica and the real one is probably on that platform. So this is where I bought it, and then anybody that clicks through your link to buy that product, you will be getting a commission from their sale. Does that make sense? And this doesn't add any extra money to those people. It doesn't. It is just the platform paying you for your referral. Does that make sense? So if you're somebody that already enjoys referring people to good deals, like sweet deals, this is definitely for you. Check out affiliate marketing. Now, last but not the least is actually freelancing. Now, I saved the best for last because this particular way of making money online, you need to actually have a skill for you to effectively carry it out. And you can make so much money from this depending on the skill that you are offering, and obviously the person you are offering the skill to. Imagine you land an international client and your job is something in the likes of maybe UI UX design, that is so much money. Now, not to say that UX design is the only skill that can make you a whole lot of money. There are an endless list. There is an endless list of high income skills that you can totally grab onto today, or you can check within the skills that you already have. There has to be something that can make you money, that ASAP. You go and position yourself in different freelance platforms, and also know how to stand out from the crowd so that you'll be able to get clients much faster. And also, do not neglect the power of social media. Your already existing social media presence, use it to market yourself, market your skill. You can get clients, and you can totally carry out this job from the comfort of your home. Remote working, that is another thing that it is called, but freelancing in a way that you are not committed to just one person. You can be working for Mr. A and Mr. B and Mr. C all at the same time, collecting their money, because that is what we need, is their money. We need to take care of this baby, okay? Now, I hate to say it, but this brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this session, do make sure to like this video, share with somebody today, a new mom, an expectant mom, a housewife. Write down other business ideas, online making money business ideas in the comment section. And of course, do check out my previous videos and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. We are almost at 500 subbies, you guys. Like, this is moving so fast. I didn't even know that we will get here this fast. Thank you all so much for watching through to the end of this video, and of course, I'm going to see you guys in my next video or in the previous one if you want to hear some more from me. Thank you for watching this video. Bye, Royals.
But then I'm faded, but I rock it like a baby in a car.